Hello everyone, this is your boy Nathan. In this video, we're going to have the Roomba i7 navigate the same rug test. Okay, so this is everyone's beloved Roomba i7. A lot of people love the Roomba. One, because it was the first iRobot product to come with a self-emptying bin. And secondly, it was the first Roomba to have smart mapping. At the time when iRobot had a lot of random bouncing navigating robots, they came out with the 980 and the 960 series, differing slightly in battery life. But people were bummed out because they really wanted the area clean. They wanted to have smart map technology, and that's when the Roomba i7 came out. It was a big game changer for iRobot. The i7 was probably one of the biggest upgrades for iRobot because of the self-emptying bin feature, the smart mapping capabilities, and the unique feature to select an area through voice using Alexa. I just want to personally thank each and everyone who has subscribed, liked, disliked my videos. Thank you so much because it just shows that you guys are interested in these types of videos. Also, I do enjoy reading your comments. I do respond back to them if I can. Okay, I just want to give a big shout out to Funtime Freddy. This person asked if I can do the Roomba i7. No problem, here it is for you, buddy. Okay, I got some bad news for Robot Master's channel. We just broke my phone yesterday. I dropped it, my Note 9. This is the main phone I use for the camera and to edit my videos. But fortunately, I had this video pre-recorded when I was doing my LG video, so I was able to still upload this video for you guys. Okay, so let me talk about this question I get all the time. I probably stated this in my last video, but I'll state it again. I get a lot of questions asking, should I get the Roomba S9 or should I get the Roomba i7? So I did own the Roomba i7 before I got the Roomba S9, but unfortunately that one fell down the stairs. One of my cliff sensors failed and kind of took a tumble and broke. So I got the Roomba S9, pre-ordered it, and the release date was July 12th of 2019. Unfortunately, since I got through Best Buy, they kind of had a hiccup on the delivery, so I actually canceled the order and got it July 15th, so a couple days later, but still, it was a fairly new product. And I had the hardest time with the Roomba S9 mapping out its surroundings. It would constantly get stuck on my high profile carpet, could barely turn around and avoid the furniture. So basically, if you asked me this question 2 or 3 months ago, if I should get the i7 or the Roomba S9, I would always say get the Roomba i7 because it was the better navigating robot. It was able to maneuver on high profile carpets easier, was able to maneuver around furniture easier. But now, since we're on month 3 at the time of making this video, I can definitely recommend the Roomba S9 now because I got several updates, minus the keep out zone that I have on my Roomba i7, and the Roomba S9 is a really good performer. I do have a video that showcased the Roomba S9 versus the Needle D7, and it was able to outmaneuver and outperform the Needle D7 on the high profile carpet test. So what's the difference now? Well, if you have high profile carpet tests and you're interested in the deep cleaning aspect, then Roomba S9 is really the machine that can technically deep clean according to Vacuum Wars. The reason why the Roomba S9 can do that is because the extractors sit lower than the i7's extractors. Also, it has a higher airflow at 22 CFM, whereas the i7 has a single airflow at 17 CFM. Now, another reason why you would get the Roomba S9 over the i7 if you like the additional features you can do with the airflow. On the S9, you have 3 power settings. You have the low power setting, that's about 7 CFM. And you also have the regular power setting, which is the same to the i7 at 17 CFM. And finally, you got the high power setting at 22 CFM. Keep in mind, at the 22 CFM level, you're only going to get about 50 minutes of runtime. Yes, I know that the D-Bot 950 just came out with a 24 CFM robot that's capable of running at that power setting for 2.5 hours. I am looking into the D-Bot, but I don't know if I'm going to get the 950 or the 960. I'm just going to wait and see what happens. Okay, it looks like it's doing pretty well. It's able to transition over these area rugs pretty well. They are getting moved around a little bit, but not too bad. Okay, so once the i7 is done with the back and forth cleaning pattern, it will finish up its cleaning cycle with a perimeter sweep. I did note that the side brush did scatter around the Imperials a little bit, but I do have a hack coming that will slow down the side brush. It's using a potentiometer. I will upload that video hopefully this week or next week. What is up, my friends? Okay, let's see how well the i7 did. Just from looking at the test results, looks like it left a lot down on the floor. Let's go ahead and count those. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So it looks like we got 15 Imperials down on the ground here. I suspect it didn't pick as much due to the fast spinning side brush. Also looks like the i7 kind of got hung up on the rugs. But you know, these tests just show what these robots are capable of doing. Looks like the LG did do a lot better than the i7. And this video was requested by this person. I'm going to put the description down below. So before we check the dustbin, if you like this video, please smash the like button. Helps me gauge if this type of testing is something you guys are interested in. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Nathan, and I do a lot of crazy robot videos. I do unboxings, I do overviews, I get new robot vacuums on this channel, and I try to post daily if I can. So let's get right into how much this little Roomba i7 picked up. So hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm going to show you the dustbin here. Keep in mind is I did not empty out the dustbin. Sometimes in my testings, I leave as is just to showcase the robot in real life. Because, you know, you don't always empty out the dustbins every time. And in this scenario, I did not. But you can see the Imperial Reds in there. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how much it picked up. Okay, there you go, guys. It looks like it picked up the 65 Imperials here, and it did not pick up the 15 on the testing site. Alright, so that was the results of the Roomba i7. I haven't decided what other vacuum I'm going to test next. It might be the Roomba S9, or it might be my cheaper robot vacuum. I have a Benito A3, got it for about $100, and we'll see how well that little guy can do on the exact same testing. So, be safe out there. I will see you guys next time.